Pernille Plantener. I'm an NVC trainer, and I'm going to speak on time for empathy, about one-on-one support and what you need to know about emotions. I might not cover everything that's needed to know about emotions during that 1.5 hours presentation, but I will offer you a roadmap and do a presentation with one of you in order for you to expand your window of welcome for emotions. What is window of welcome for emotions? Well, if you're like me, I grew up in a family where not a lot of emotions were really tolerated. Anger was certainly not. Neither was fear, interestingly enough. And sadness, no. Disgust, not at all. I mean, I have been eating gross food because I was not allowed to say, ugh, I don't like that. As an example, happiness and playfulness and getting things done, that sense of achievement and being on top of things were allowed. Which meant that when I met NVC, which is 22 years ago, I was very stimulated by the fact that emotions bring us to our needs, so I could sort of skip onto the emotion and then continue into the cool thing, the needs. That was very meaningful for me. And it took me 10 years of NVC integration and practice before I stopped up and started looking at the emotions themselves. And I've fallen in love with emotions since then, to not just to nerd with the words for emotions and finding the accurate distinction between skepticism, disbelief, and distrust, which is very interesting on a nerdy kind of way, but really to notice the felt sense within my body of each emotion. And with this opening that has happened in myself, I've also opened to my window of welcome for my clients, those people I support, for their emotions, so that I don't seamlessly just go into reassurance if they express shame, but I can actually sit with them in their shame and say, yeah, would you simply just love to disappear from the surface of this earth? Because this is what's so hard. It is to stay with the intensity of the emotion. And this is what I'm going to speak about. How to develop and expand our own window of welcome for our own emotions and for the emotions of the people we support. And gosh, it's so rich once we do that. It's the direct path towards self-connection and self-acceptance. So hope to see you there.